Good afternoon, folks. Back on March 30th, we delivered our initial hurricane forecast for the Atlantic Basin. Let's go over that again here with a bit more support now. So we identified a couple critical things in play for this upcoming hurricane season in the Atlantic. First, by looking at the ocean temperatures, particularly the anomalies map, we can see that La Nina is overtaking El Nino. La Nina promotes Atlantic hurricanes while El Nino works against them. Also, there's a fairly strong heat anomaly in the Atlantic, and that was almost certainly going to be sustained throughout this year. Now, just a week later, that anomaly has actually intensified slightly, about a half a degree. So, the conditions are ripening for sure. On top of the La Nina and the hotter Atlantic waters, we're expecting high solar activity the remainder of this year as we peak in sunspot maximum. This not only promotes hurricanes electrically, which you can learn more about in this video from February 17th of this year, it's highly recommended, but it also means we should be seeing more heat injected into the oceans, which, again, promotes that hurricane development in the Atlantic. But now, just a week after our forecast was made, the top experts in the world have come out and said we could be getting one of the strongest and most active hurricane seasons on record. Colorado State does this annual forecast, and their analysis came to the same conclusion I did. We're going to be way above average. As you can see here, middle column is their prediction, and on the right side column, that is the seasonal average. So yes, I'd say this season is forecast to be a bad one. In fact, with the weakening of Earth's magnetic field allowing in more solar energy, I can't help but wonder if this is the first year we'll finally see that Category 6 hurricane. Many of you long-term viewers know I've been predicting that for years, and with this article, which also came out in February of this year, I wouldn't necessarily say I'm forecasting a Category 6 storm to occur, but it darn sure wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm now even more confident in our March 30th forecast. Colorado State is pretty good at this, and seeing them predict the same thing we did a week earlier is a validating but also very concerning thing. Not that we needed more interesting things on our plate right now, but we've got them. I'll see you in the morning for the daily show. Be safe, everyone.